Hello, boys and girls. I am Miss Moran, and welcome back to your math lesson. Today, we will continue sorting. So, on Monday, we sorted by type. We did the if the thing was an animal or a food. And then on Tuesday, we did it by color. We had three different colors that we sorted the squares by. Remember, it was, I think, red, green, and orange. And then yesterday, we sorted by size. So, we decided which one was small, which one's medium, and which one was large or big. Today we're going to be sorting by shape. So we're going to be sorting 2D shapes. So let's start with our activity and then I'll tell you about your homework. So let's start now. So for today's activity, we're going to be sorting by shape. So we're going to have to look at this drawings up here. We're going to look at its attributes, how it looks. And then we're going to decide how we're going to sort them. By what kind of shape are they? So we're going to have three different ways or three different groups to sort. And they're not telling us on the top. So we have to look at all the objects and decide what are the three categories or what are the three groups that we're going to be working with. Okay, so let's look up here. Here we have what shape is this? Circle. So that's probably one of the shapes. And what shape is this? A triangle. So that's probably a second shape. And what shape is this? A square. So that's probably the third shape. And then we have another what? What is this? Another square. And what shape is this? That's three sides and three corners. A triangle. And then look at this one. It has no sides, no corners. This one is a circle, right? So I think our three shapes are going to be the circle, the triangle, and the square. So let's move those. Circle, triangle, and square. And now we're going to move the other ones into either one of these groups. So this one right here has four sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and four corners, 1, 2, 3, 4. What shape is this? What's the name of the shape? Square, right? So this square is going to go on with group 1, group 2, or group 3? Decide and tell me the answer now. The square is going to be with group 3 with the other square, right? Now let's look at this shape right here. Like I told you, it has three sides. 1, 2, 3 sides, 3, and three corners. 1, 2, and 3. What is the name of the shape? It is a triangle. And which group should I put it on? Should I put it with group 1, group 2, or group 3? Decide and tell me now. Yes, we're going to put it in group 2 with the other triangle. Good job. And last but not least is this one right here. This one has no sides, no no sides and no corners. I almost gave you the answer. What is the name of this shape? It's a what? Circle. Good job. So am I going to move the circle to group 1, group 2, or group 3? Which one do you think? Group 1. Good job with the other circle. Perfect. So we looked at the attributes and we sorted by shapes and we decided that we had three different shapes we could group them by. We had the circles in group 1, the triangles in group 2, and the square in group 3. Good job. So now let's go over your homework. Okay, so here we have our homework. So for our homework, we're going to be sorting by shape. Okay, that's very important. We're not sorting by color. We are sorting by shape. And so here in this group, we're going to put all the what? What is this? Triangle. So all the triangles are going to go here. And then this one is a what? A square. So all of your squares are going to go here. And then we have a circle. So all the circles are going to go here. Remember, there might be some shapes in there that don't go in any of these groups. So if you have a shape that does not look like a triangle, a square, or a circle, just leave it there. Okay? We're not doing it by color, we're doing it by shape. So these are all the shapes that you're gonna move to the right group. So this red shape, what shape is it? Is it a triangle, square, or circle? It's a triangle, right? So it's gonna go right there. So all of them, you're gonna move to one of these groups. There might be one or two that do not look like any of the shapes. So if you have one or two like that, leave them down here, okay? Don't glue them up here. So I just gave you a clue because there's going to be a tricky one in there that's going to try to trick you. So pay attention. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's homework, and I'll see you here tomorrow where we're going to continue talking about sorting. Bye-bye.